Need to export your Word document as different file types? It's easy. Open your document, then click File, Save As. Choose where to save the file, like your computer or OneDrive. In the Save As type drop-down, select the format you need. For PDFs, choose pdf.pdf to save as a Word template. Select Word template .dots. For compatibility with older versions, use Word 97 to 2003 document .doc to save as plain text. Pick plain text.txt, or for web pages, choose webpage.html. If you need an open document format, select open document text.odt. You can also go to File Export for additional options like Create PDF XPS for high-quality PDFs. After selecting your format, click Save or Publish. And that's it. Now you can export Word documents in different file types effortlessly.